Transform your financial outlook and invite abundance into your life with a money bowl, a simple yet effective manifestation tool rooted in feng shui. Start with an empty bowl, preferably a gold or green bowl to symbolize wealth, and cleanse it with incense to remove negativity. As you assemble your money bowl, you'll want to include various ingredients and elements that attract positivity and prosperity. First, fill it a quarter of the way with uncooked rice for good luck. Add 2 to 3 crystals known for attracting wealth, like pyrite or citrine. Include cinnamon sticks and herbs like thyme for extra prosperity. You can also incorporate coins or cash to represent incoming money, and write your intentions on a bay leaf to place inside. Stand a green or gold candle in the center of the bowl, repeating your chosen mantra as you light it. Let the candle burn down or snuff it out once you've spoken your mantra to symbolize your desires coming to fruition. Set your money bowl in a central location of your home to keep abundance flowing. Whenever you're feeling financially stressed, revisit your bowl to repeat your mantras and meditate, reminding yourself that your luck can change at any moment.